Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is top 60 MCQs for IBPS NSC NABARD and this is part 2. So friends, let's start with question number 1. Rubbing of heads is practiced in which crop for enhanced seed production? Option C is the correct answer, sunflower. Rubbing of heads is practiced in sunflower for enhanced seed production. Question number 2. Chromosomal theory of heredity is given by? Option B is the correct answer, W. Sutton. Chromosomal theory of heredity is given by W. Sutton. Next is question number 3. Commercial propagation method for raspberry is? Option B is the correct answer, sucker. Commercial propagation method for raspberry is sucker. Question number 4. Gene Norrin, that is Rh1 Rh2, is associated with? Option D is the correct answer, wheat. Here is a list of genes and their relative crop variety. For rice it is DG gene. For maize it is Opequa2 and T cytoplasm. For wheat it is Norrin, that is Rh1 Rh2, and for bajra the gene is TIFT23D1A. Next is question number 5. Safflower oil for heart disease patients is refined and prepared from? Option A is the correct answer, safflower. Safflower oil for heart disease patient is refined and prepared from safflower. Next is question number 6. Pyricularia oryza cause? Option D is the correct answer, rich man's disease. Pyricularia oryza cause blast in rice, which is also known as rich man's disease. Bacterial leaf blight, which scientific name is Xanthomonas oryza, in rice is known as poor man's disease. Question number 7. National Remote Sensing Agency, that is NRSA, is situated in? Option C is the correct answer, Hyderabad. National Remote Sensing Agency or NRSA is situated in Hyderabad. Next is question number 8. Potato and sugar beet requires more? Option C is the correct answer, potassium. Potato and sugar beet requires more potassium. Next is question number 9. Apoenzyme plus prosthetic group equals to dash, and the correct answer is option A, holoenzyme. So friends, here you can see holoenzyme, that is apoenzyme plus prosthetic group. Apoenzyme, that is enzyme without prosthetic group. Allosteric enzyme, that is regulatory enzyme have more than one polypeptide. And isozyme, that is different enzymes which catalyze the same reaction in different tissue. Question number 10. The course study of agriculture extension was firstly started in? Option A is the correct answer, Sabor, Bihar. The course study of agriculture extension was firstly started at Sabor, Bihar. Question number 11. Film forming anti-transparent is? Option A is the correct answer, alcohol. Film forming anti-transparent is alcohol. Question number 12. Which of the following initiatives started by Vinoba Bhave? Option D is the correct answer, all of these. That means all the three movements were started by Vinoba Bhave, that is Bhudan movement, Gramdan movement and Sarvodaya. Question number 13. Dash is known as Drosophila of crops. Option C is the correct answer, maize. Maize is known as Drosophila of crops. Next is question number 14. Maize varieties with high lysine and tryptophan are? Option D is the correct answer, all of these. Maize varieties with high lysine and tryptophan are Shakti, Ratna, Protina. Question number 15. Which of the following type of plastid is associated with storage of fats and starch? Option A is the correct answer, leucoplast. Leucoplast is a type of plastid which is associated with storage of fats and starch. Question number 16. Dash is known as weeds of fisherman. Option A is the correct answer, Eichhornia crucipes. Eichhornia crucipes is known as weeds of fisherman. Question number 17. Mass flow or pressure flow theory for the movement of food was given by. Option B is the correct answer, Munch. Here is a list of theories related to plant physiology, that is, mass flow or pressure flow theory was given by Munch. Pulsation theory was given by J.C. Bose. Root pressure theory was given by Stephen Hales. Imbibition theory was given by Sack. Cohesion adhesion theory and transpiration pool theory was given by Dixon and Joly in 1894 and Askensey in 1895. And relay or clambering pump theory was given by Godlewski. Next is question number 18. Triple dwarf wheat should be sown at the depth. Option C is the correct answer, less than 4 cm. Triple dwarf wheat variety should be shown at the depth less than 4 cm. Question number 19. Headquarters of National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning is situated in. Option C is the correct answer, Nagpur. The headquarters of National Bureau of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning is situated in Nagpur. Question number 20. Average rainfall in India is. Option D is the correct answer, 1190 mm. The average rainfall in India is 1190 mm. Question number 21. A separate department of agriculture was established in India in. Option B is the correct answer, 1881. A separate department of agriculture was established in India in 1881. Question number 22. The neurotoxin BOAA found in. Option A is the correct answer, Lathyrus. The neurotoxin BOAA found in Lathyrus. Question number 23. Dash is also known as solanates. Option C is the correct answer, both A and B. Alkaline soil is also known as solanates. Black colored, so also called as black alkali. Saline soil is also known as Solan chalk. White colored, so also called as white alkali. Question number 24. Primary or seminal roots of cereals remain functioning till. Option C is the correct answer, tillering initiation. Primary or seminal roots of cereals remain functioning till tillering initiation. Question number 25. The communication model, that is speaker, then speech, then audience, is given by. Option B is the correct answer, Aristotle. Question number 26. Hot air treatment was first developed by. Option B is the correct answer, Kunkal. Hot air treatment was first developed by Kunkal. Hot air treatment for the control of virus in propagating stalks was first developed by Kunkal in peach yellow. Next is question number 27. Dash are green in color. Option C is the correct answer, chloroplast. Plastids are the cytoplasmic organelles found in plant cell. It has three types: leucoplast, chromoplast and chloroplast. Leucoplasts are colorless and associated with the storage of starch and fats. Chromoplast hay color but other than green. Chloroplasts are green and associated with photosynthesis. Question number 28. Nitrogen percentage in thyruria is, option B is the correct answer, 36.8%. Nitrogen percentage in thyruria is 36.8%. Question number 29. Humus contains dash percent of nitrogen. Option C is the correct answer, 3.6%. Humus contains 3.6% of nitrogen. Question number 30. EV gourd, pointed gourd, spine gourd are propagated by, option A is the correct answer, stem cutting. EV gourd, pointed gourd, spine gourd are propagated by stem cutting. Question number 31. Which of the following nitrogenous fertilizers are in amide form? Option D is the correct answer, both A and B. That means urea and calcium cyanide nitrogenous fertilizers are in amide form. Question number 32. Basic tool for weather forecasting is, option C is the correct answer, synoptic charts. Basic tool for weather forecasting is synoptic charts. Question number 33. Family of buckwheat is, option A is the correct answer, Polygonaceae. Family of buckwheat is Polygonaceae. Question number 34. Proteins that only contains amino acids are called, option A is the correct answer, simple proteins. Friends, here you can see classification of proteins, that is simple protein and conjugated protein. Simple protein, protein that contains only amino acid, and conjugated proteins are protein that contains non-amino acid components with addition to amino acid. These additional factors are called prosthetic group. Question number 35. Calcium oxalate cause pungency in, option B is the correct answer, turnip. Calcium oxalate cause pungency in turnip. Question number 36. Dash deals with the diffusion of gases in soil. Option C is the correct answer, Fick's law. Fick's law deals with the diffusion of gases in soil. Question number 37. Removal of auxiliary buds in tobacco is called, option D is the correct answer, desuckering. Removal of auxiliary buds in tobacco is called desuckering. Question number 38. The moisture content at which wilting is complete and plant die is, option B is the correct answer, ultimate wilting point. The moisture content at which wilting is complete and plant die is ultimate wilting point. Question number 39. Dash is the process by which an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among the members of a social system. Option C is the correct answer, diffusion. Diffusion is the process by which an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among the members of a social system. Next is question number 40. In Munsell color chart, purity of the soil color is denoted by, option A is the correct answer, chroma. Here is the explanation. Soil color is found out by using Munsell color chart. Three variables are used to denote soil color, that is hue, that denote dominant wavelength, value, that denote relative lightness of the color, and chroma, that denote purity of the color. Question number 41. Trade name or biopesticide Beauveria bassiana is, option C is the correct answer, both A and B. That means Larvocet and Bovarin are the trade name or biopesticide Beauveria bassiana. Question number 42. Dredging or chaining method of weed control is used for. Option B is the correct answer. Aquatic weeds. Dredging or chaining method of weed control is used for aquatic weeds. Question number 43. Fraction of humus having high molecular weight and insoluble in both acid and alkali is. Option C is the correct answer. Humin acid. Fraction of humus having high molecular weight and insoluble in both acid and alkali is humin acid. Question number 44. When marginal product or MP is at maximum, marginal cost or MC is. Option C is the correct answer. At lowest point. When marginal product is at maximum, marginal cost is at lowest point. Question number 45. Seed replacement rate for double cross hybrid is. Option B is the correct answer. 100%. The seed replacement rate for double cross hybrid is 100%. Question number 46. Dash has sensor mechanism. Option C is the correct answer. Argemone mexicana. Argemone mexicana has sensor mechanism. Question number 47. Initiation of the first All India Coordinated Research Project on maize in. Option B is the correct answer. 1957. Initiation of the first All India Coordinated Research Project on maize in 1957. Question number 48. Photosynthetic inhibition by oxygen is called. Option A is the correct answer. Warburg's effect. Photosynthetic inhibition by oxygen is called Warburg's effect. Question number 49. The concept of PURA or provision of urban amenities to rural areas is given by. Option D is the correct answer. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The concept of provision of urban amenities to rural areas or PURA is given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 50. A disease characterized by large and irregular spot or lesions on leaves, stem and shoots is known as. Option B is the correct answer. Blotch. A disease characterized by large and irregular spots or lesions or on leaves, stem and shoots is known as blotch. Question number 51. Widely used index for classification of drought is. Option C is the correct answer. Palmer Drought Index. The widely used index for classification of drought is Palmer Drought Index. Question number 52. Insect vector for wheat streak mosaic virus is. Option C is the correct answer. Mites. The insect vector for wheat streak mosaic virus is mites. Question 53. Algae mostly occur in. Option C is the correct answer. Shade areas. Bacteria occurs in neutral soil, fungi in acidic soil, and algae in shade areas. Question number 54. Bacteriophages are. Option C is the correct answer. Single-stranded DNA. Bacteriophages are single-stranded DNA. Next is question number 55. Technique used to remove insect damage and all ill-filled seeds in okra is. Option C is the correct answer. Water flotation. The technique used to remove insect damage and all ill-filled seeds in okra is water flotation. Question number 56. Weed having all three types of dormancy is. Option A is the correct answer. Avena fatua. The weed having all the three types of dormancy is Avena fatua. Question number 57. First seed testing laboratory was established at IARI in, option D is the correct answer, 1961. The first seed testing laboratory was established at IARI in 1961. Question number 58. First product of urea after hydrolysis is, option D is the correct answer, ammonium carbonate. The first product of urea after hydrolysis is ammonium carbonate. Question number 59. Contribution of ants to the photosynthesis is, option A is the correct answer, 12%. Contribution of photosynthesis through flag leaf is 52%, while through ants is 12%. Question number 60. Rice planting time of Bodo rice is, option C is the correct answer, November to December. The rice planting time of Bodo rice is November to December. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you again and goodbye.